of this tree, God said we will die. No, the serpent added. You won't die. God is jealous because He does not want you to eat of this fruit because you will become like gods. You will know the difference between good and evil. If Eve knew that this serpent was Satan, she would have gone to tell Adam and God. But she did not know that it was Satan in the form of a serpent. So she thought, how nice to look at this tree. I think it tastes good and smells good. I think I'll pick one. I think I'll taste it. So, she bit. It was very delightful. She went to tell me about it. I thought God told you not to eat of this fruit.
Ito na. Nandito na. Bumalik ulit.
But you said, no, you will not die. It was a test of love. If I did not eat the fruit, I would live forever, but poor Eve would die. So I chose to eat of the fruit. We both failed the test.